Range sum queries look like they need a loop each time, but there's a prefix sum trick that turns every query into a single subtraction. You're given an immutable array of integers. The class must support many sum range calls, each asking for the total of elements from index left to index right inclusive. For example, with the array -2, 0, 3, -5, 2, -1, a query from 0 to 2 should return 1, because -2 plus 0 plus 3 equals 1. The array never changes, only the queries do. The straightforward way is to iterate from left to right on every query, adding up the values. That gives big O of n time per sum range call, big O of 1, constant time work in the constructor, and big O of n extra space for the stored array. If you have thousands of queries on a large array, the repeated scanning becomes a serious performance problem. The key insight is to precompute cumulative totals once, so each query becomes a constant time subtraction. In the constructor, we allocate an extra array of length n plus 1, set the first element to 0, then walk through the input adding each number to the previous total. The resulting prefix array holds the sum of the first I elements at index I. When sum range is called, we simply return prefix at right plus 1 minus prefix at left. You will recognize this pattern when you see many range sum queries on a static array or any problem asking for fast subarray totals after a one-time pre-processing step. Time complexity is big O of n for the constructor and big O of 1, constant time per sum range call. Space complexity is big O of n for the prefix array. Try the next problem, same pattern. Subscribe for more DSA deep dives.